Hey guys, this video takes you through the journey of me ripping out my sauna in the basement. The sauna was old and leaking water, and not to mention it was a old stomping ground for mice, so yeah, it had to go. But I got some shelving units up in its place. So this video is meant to document it. By no means am I an expert, and this is not a tutorial. It's just meant so people don't make the same mistakes I do, and hopefully you guys get some laughs out of it. So check it out. So as you can see here, there's quite a bit of water that's seeped up and is crept up into the wood. This is really wet when we first moved boxes in here, and that is not a good sign. So tear it out and hopefully stop the water. So it looks like now that we have it tore apart, you can see the water damage down here all along the bottom. There was no signs of leaking from the spigot pipe that goes into the side, which is not what I wanted. But the more I get it tore apart, the more I can see where the water's coming from. Most likely something from the basement now, but we'll see. Update on the sauna. Got all the walls down, as you can see. Electrical out. Plumbing still hooked up. Don't know how to do that. We'll wait on that. Look at how wet this is. This black stuff is wet to the touch. So gross. Oh! Vintage carpet under there. All still wet. Hasn't been used in 10 plus years. Still wet. How? Don't know. Gotta rip the wall out, see if there's a crack in the wall. What's going on? This is what's left of the sauna. It's rotted out underneath there behind the spigot. The spigot was not the problem. The more I tore into it. This is what I found. Old refrigerator water line was up in the ceiling joist. Up in there. There you can see the wet spot. Get this clamped off. Get the rest of this fun stuff out of here. Call her a night. So here we're going to take a pipe cutter. Looks like this. And then a compression fitting put right on the end, or a press fitting to cap it off about right here and get rid of the spigot altogether. As you can see, after what just happened, I had the wrong fitting on there. This is the right fitting. It's called a shark bite. You push it on there, and it's like a Chinese finger trap. It doesn't come back off no matter how hard you try. You need a special tool for it. This is what I tried putting on there. You need a crimper, which I didn't know that. It's labeled at press on. Rookie mistake. Right, wrong.